Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the eco mode on your CHiQ 22F650. So first, let's head over to the monitor settings. You need to swipe to the right to open them. Now swipe to the right again to open the illuminant settings, and here we will have the eco mode. So as you guys can see, we need to swipe one more time, and we can easily change it by swiping up. So here we need to click yes and then swipe to right, and as you guys can see here, we can change it to movie, game, standard, RTS, FPS, low blue, and that's basically all of the options. So I like to keep it at standard even when I'm gaming, and when I watch a movie instead of the movie I use the RTS. I think it's much better. And as you guys can see, the brightness is just too high here. You guys can change it, but still I prefer using the RTS. So it's all up to your preference, whatever you change here. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.